You will love the features of this 2020 Honda CR-V. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling, this small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.